Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Robokiller subscription. If you have taken any subscription by mistake or by your knowledge, if you have taken any subscription and you want to cancel your subscription, so how you can cancel your subscription on Robokiller. So there are three methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method for you can say like we can say where you have originally purchased. If you have purchased your subscription on iOS store or app store, you need to cancel your subscription by using Android iOS device. Okay, so if you have taken your subscription on Android, you need to cancel your subscription on Play Store, and if you have taken your subscription on the official website, then there is separate method. So the first method for iPhone users, first of all you need to open your settings app in your iPhone and you need to tap on your Apple ID. You need to select subscription, then you will see a list of all your active subscriptions. You need to select Robokiller, and once you select Robokiller, you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on Android, you need to open your Play Store. You need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. You will see all the list of your active subscription apps. You need to select Robokiller and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So basically if you have taken your subscription on their official website, so how you can cancel? So first of all you need to log in into your Robokiller website, and once you logged in, you need to click on your profile icon, and once you click on your profile icon, you will be on your dashboard, and you can cancel your subscription on your dashboard, but you need to provide at least 24 hours notice period, okay, before cancellation. If your next billing date is you can say like in upcoming 24 hours, you need to provide at least 36-hour notice period, okay. So to avoid some kind of charges due to some you can say like technical issues, you need to provide at least 2 or 3 days notice period, okay. So these are the methods by which you can cancel your subscription of Robokiller, okay. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.